guys, this is Chandika. Welcome to Learning Ladder of C language. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about continue statement in C language. This continue statement is used in the control loop structure to execute once again the loop by encoding this continue. Here I am given the syntax of this continue statement. The syntax is continue followed by semicolon. Let's discuss how this continue statement is working in C compiler with an example. Here I am written a small program by using this continue statement in the while loop control structure. First, let's compile this program. While compiling, we are getting 4 times while in the output screen. Now let's see the internal execution of this program. In the first step, I am initializing this I integer variable with value 0 constant, and then in this while loop condition I am going to increment this I value by 1. So now the I value is 1. It's checking that condition is less than 5. So 1 is less than 5, it is 2. So first printf statement is going to be executed. We are getting while in the output screen. The second statement I am declaring it's a continue statement. So while C compiler encodes this continue statement, automatically it's going to execute this while loop control structure once again. Not going to check execute any of the statement below this continue statement, because while the C compiler encodes this continue statement, automatically it assumes that we have to execute this while loop once again. So for this reason, the while loop is going to be executed once again from the starting of this parenthesis. So we are getting while in the second time, and the same scenario for third and fourth time. Until this while loop is terminated, the same thing is happened because of this continue statement is declared in the while loop. This is how the continue statement is work in the control loop structures. While the control loop continue is encoded by the C compiler, it is not going to execute any of the statements below this continue statements. So it's going to execute once again the control loop structure from the starting of this control loop structure until this is continued until the condition is fails. Now let's see how we can utilize this continue statement for the execution of the program. Here and declare an if condition statement that I equal to true. So in this if conditional statement and declare and continue. First let's compile this program. Yeah, we are getting while 2 while 2 while 2. Now let's see why this happened internally. The first statement I is incremented with 1, so 1 is less than 5. So first printf statement while we are getting in the output screen, 1 is equal to 2. So this if condition is going to be fail condition, so not going to encode this continue statement to the compiler. So next to this printf statement is read, and while 2 we are getting in the output screen. Once again this I is incremented with 2. Now 2 is less than 5, so it is a true condition. We are getting while in the output screen. Here the I equal to 2, so 2 equal to 2. So this condition is true. Now the C compiler encodes this continue statement, so I'm not going to execute the next statement. It's going to return to the starting of this while loop control structure. So I'm going to start once again. Now the I value is incremented by 3, so 3 less than 5, so obviously true. The first printf statement is executed and we are getting while as a third time in the output screen. So now 3 is equal to 2, so this if condition is false, so we're not going to encode this continuous statement. We are getting executed by this printf statement. We are getting while 2 in the output screen the second time. So next time the fourth I is incremented by 4 is less than 5, we are getting while in the output screen. Similarly 4 is equal to 2, it's a false condition, not going to encode this continue statement. We are getting the while 2 in the output screen. So like this we can utilize this continue statement for the conditional continuous execution of the while loop control structure in the program. Let's see what happens if suppose I'm using this while continuous statement inside an inner while loop control structure. So suppose I'm declaring a while inside and while, it's known as a inner while control loop structures design. So here I am declaring a continuous statement inside and while loop, inner while loop control structure. First let compile this program. Yeah, we are getting while as one time in the output screen. Next while inner by 8 times in the output screen. Now let's see what happened in the inner while. The first statement I is initializing with 0, so we is incremented by 1, so 1 is less than 5, it's 2. So this first printf statement is going to be executed. We are getting while as a first the output screen. Next this I is incremented by 1, so I value now is 2, 2 is less than 10, so it is 2. So next printf statement is executed. We are getting while inner. The third time, the third statement we are declaring is a continuous statement. So while C compiler encodes this continuous statement, this inner while loop under circle is going to be executed once again. So for this reason, we are getting while inner 8 times in the output screen. So after executing this 8 times, once again it's going to the inner while loop is going to condition is going to be false. So once again it's going to check the outer while loop control structure. Now the latest incremental I value is 10, so 10 is less than 5, it's a false condition, so we are not getting any while once again in the output screen. So by this we can have an idea that this continuous statement has only an effect on this inner while loop control structure, not in the outer loop control structure. So this continuous statement has a scope only to the single while loop control structure where it is declared. Not only this continuous statement is permitted only for the while loop, it can be used for any loop control structures like for loop or do while loop. Here I am declared a continuous statement inside the for loop control structure. Now compile this program. We are not getting any error, we are getting the same output. So this continuous statement can be utilized for any control loop structures in C program. So by this you can have an idea that how this continuous statement is worked in the C program. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to get alert for the next tutorial.